not doing much texture without compounding here. So, get some in here. I think that'll be...
Are you paying attention, Mr. Inspector? I see you're kind of nodding off there, not paying attention.
Well, we have our...
Forget my breakfast.
I know. I didn't know Jim was going to be here this morning to do this. I thought he was just going to look at it.
Well, you know...
I'm glad we rushed over here and we missed our breakfast, didn't we?
We did.
Because I wanted to see Jim in action.
Ready for
I
our
feel honored to...
You should, man.
Make it up on the lunch.
I feel honored.
I was getting a little nervous that you're going to start before I got here.
No, I was waiting. I was waiting. I want to, you know, this is important. We get this on video. Because it's a process that started with the wallpaper removal.
That's right.
And it's going to look bigger. The area is going to look bigger because the paper had a pattern in it. It was closed off, so it's going to be an open-ended, bigger.
Yeah, it already looks way bigger.
And once the counters come in, oh, it's going to be an extreme transformation.
It's amazing what a little wallpaper removal will do, you know?
Absolutely, yeah. Especially when you've looked at something for so long.
Right here, Jim. Oh, yeah.